Thanks for clicking on the video of our 2021 Exmark Laser Z 96-inch folding mower. 96 divided by 12, 7, 8 feet of mowing. This is a big setup. We sold one to a guy right down the road from us. I'm in Harvard, Illinois right now, but sold one to a guy who refers to it as a badass mother. Well, you can pick the last word in, and it is. This thing's equipped with Yanmar diesel, liquid cooled. We'll pull up the hood here. Another manufacturer uses Yanmar and gets along pretty well. That's the machine. Looks like it's a 3-cylinder. Didn't remember that, but there's the radiator, and that's a huge radiator. This thing's only got like 590 hours, less than 600. Decks look real nice. This is a rear discharge, I noticed, which I suspect on something like this size is normal. The only oddity I noticed is the gauge wheel. It's either missing, and I assume these are flat, where rubber flaps were supposed to be. And there's a gauge wheel on the right side, but nothing on the left. These wheels, these casters are all good. This is a machine owned by a homeowner, or as in Harvard here, where we've got some fairly affluent neighborhoods, and this came from one of those, an estate essentially. Oftentimes this size of mower is a municipality, which can be good, can be bad. There's a serial plate. That's our number. But we'll fire this thing up. We'll unfold it here. Yeah, there you go. Again, 96 inches. Put the brake down and go forward here. Electronic fuel injection, or throttle. So we turn the throttle, or turn the PTO on, and throttle will all of a sudden go off. Let's see if I can pull up the hours on this thing. Yeah, we'll get it folded back up. One side goes up, push down on the trigger right there, and then toggle switch to left or right. Turn it off, and then we'll get the hours pulled up here. $3.99 on service. There it is. $5.87. I think for total operator hours. Okay, we'll get it back into park, and then so come on over to Harvard and see for yourself. It's a nice looking machine. Appreciate you taking the time to watch the video.